Did you know that in just a few years, almost every industry will expect you to understand AI? Whether you're a marketer, educator, or healthcare worker, AI will soon be at the core of what you do. But how do you keep up with this revolution? In today's video, I'll break down the top 8 AI skills you need to learn to stay ahead in the ever-evolving job market. These skills will not only keep you relevant, but also make you indispensable in 2026 and beyond. Ready to future-proof your career? Let's get started. 1. Advanced prompt engineering. Let's start with one of the most important AI skills to master, advanced prompt engineering. This skill goes far beyond just asking basic questions. It's about giving AI clear context, specific instructions, and detailed constraints to get high-quality, accurate results. Whether you're working with chatbots, writing assistants, or data-generating AI tools, knowing how to communicate with AI is key to unlocking its full potential. Think of it as giving your AI a roadmap. It knows exactly where to go, but only if you provide the right directions. In fact, mastering this skill will impact almost every task you perform, whether you're writing, designing, or even conducting research. It's considered one of the most practical and effective first skills to develop. As AI continues to evolve, learning to craft complex and precise prompts will empower you to get the most out of AI models, allowing them to perform at their highest capabilities. Effective prompting will also save you time by minimizing trial and error, helping you get the right answers faster. 2. Critical thinking and AI verification. Next up is critical thinking and AI verification. AI models are powerful, but they're not foolproof. They can sometimes generate inaccurate or biased data, known as hallucination in the AI world. That's where your critical thinking skills come in. You'll need to spot errors, fact-check outputs, and verify the information against credible sources. Being able to recognize when AI is straying from reliable data is crucial, especially in an age where AI is used for everything from news generation to financial analysis. It's not enough to trust the AI blindly. Verifying AI-generated information ensures you're always operating with trustworthy insights. Additionally, as AI systems evolve, it's important to understand when models might be producing misleading information based on flawed training data. The ability to critically evaluate AI outputs will protect against unintentional harm, making the skill invaluable across industries. This will also empower you to challenge AI and propose improvements, helping to create more reliable and ethical AI systems. 3. AI data literacy and analysis. Let's talk about AI data literacy and analysis. You don't need to be a data scientist, but you should understand how to work with AI to clean messy data, recognize patterns, and turn raw numbers into actionable insights. With the explosion of data across industries, AI is essential for processing and making sense of it all. Imagine being able to pull valuable information from a mountain of data in just a few clicks. Whether it's understanding customer behavior or analyzing market trends, AI can help you do it faster and more accurately than ever before. This skill is becoming a baseline expectation for most roles, and it's essential if you want to stay competitive in today's data-driven world. As businesses increasingly rely on data, having the ability to use AI to interpret complex datasets will make you a valuable asset in any industry. The insights provided by AI can help guide business decisions, optimize operations, and provide strategic advantages. Having the ability to visualize and explain data findings clearly will also make you a key player in any team, bridging the gap between technical teams and decision-makers. 4. No-code AI automation. Imagine being able to automate your work without writing a single line of code. That's the power of no-code AI automation. Tools like Zapier or N8N let you create automated workflows to simplify complex tasks and connect different apps seamlessly. With this skill, you can design systems that handle repetitive tasks, like managing emails or syncing data, without the need for technical expertise. This means more time for strategic and creative work. In a world where efficiency is key, no-code automation will help you streamline processes and improve productivity without being a tech expert. It's all about working smarter, not harder. 5. AI ethics and governance awareness. AI ethics and governance awareness is another critical skill that everyone should have. As AI continues to expand in both power and reach, understanding how to use it responsibly is essential. This includes everything from data privacy laws like GDPR to ensuring fairness and transparency in AI models. As AI evolves, it will be more important than ever to ensure that AI systems are used responsibly and don't perpetuate harmful biases. Leaders in any organization will need this awareness to navigate the challenges that come with AI adoption. It's about balancing innovation with responsibility and ensuring that AI tools are deployed in ways that benefit society as a whole. In this role, you'll be responsible for ensuring that AI is used fairly and ethically. This will involve advocating for policies that protect privacy, promote equality, and ensure transparency in AI's decision-making processes. A strong understanding of AI ethics will allow you to influence decision-making in ways that promote accountability, transparency, and fairness across all areas of AI implementation. 6. Multimodal AI tool fluency. Next, we have multimodal AI tool fluency, the ability to use AI across multiple media types. Whether you're using AI for writing image generation, video editing, or meeting summaries, this skill enables you to seamlessly integrate AI into different aspects of your workflow. It's not just about using AI for one task. It's about making AI a natural part of your daily routine. As AI tools expand across different formats, mastering how to use them together will give you a competitive edge. With this fluency, you'll be able to quickly switch between tasks, enhance your content, and improve your productivity. The ability to work across different media types with AI will make you indispensable in a variety of fields. 7. Problem framing and AI strategy. Problem framing and AI strategy is all about understanding how AI can solve business problems. It's not just about knowing how to use AI tools. It's about knowing when and where AI can make the biggest impact. This skill involves identifying which business challenges are solvable by AI and acting as a bridge between technical AI solutions and business goals. By framing the right problems, you ensure that AI is applied where it will have the greatest impact. AI works best when there's a clear problem to solve, and understanding how to leverage its capabilities will help you drive business success. This skill will make you a key player in integrating AI within organizations, ensuring that AI's potential is fully realized. Problem framing also includes evaluating the limitations of AI and ensuring it's applied to areas where it can deliver real, tangible results. This strategy will help businesses maximize their ROI on AI investments, ensuring that AI efforts align directly with their overall objectives. 8. Adaptive learning and curiosity. Lastly, adaptive learning and curiosity is the skill that will keep you ahead of the AI revolution. AI tools are changing rapidly, and the most valuable skill in this ever-changing landscape is knowing how to keep learning. Being adaptable and curious about new tools, methods, and updates will set you apart. AI technologies are constantly evolving, so staying updated with the latest trends, models, and updates is essential for long-term success. This skill involves experimenting, being willing to test out new things, and constantly asking, how can I improve? The ability to quickly learn and adapt to new AI advancements will not only help you stay relevant, but will also make you a leader in AI adoption within your industry. By continuously learning and experimenting, you'll ensure you're always one step ahead of technological advancements. This ongoing curiosity will allow you to discover new ways to integrate AI into your work, keeping you innovative and competitive. There you have it. 8 AI skills you should learn to stay relevant in 2026 and beyond. These skills will not only help you keep up with the AI revolution, but also give you the edge in your career. As AI becomes a fundamental part of every industry, mastering these skills will ensure you remain competitive and indispensable. Whether you're in marketing, healthcare, tech, or any other field, AI proficiency will set you apart from the crowd. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more insights into the future of work in AI. Let me know in the comments which AI skills you're excited to learn or already mastering. Catch you in the next video.